Hello everyone, my name is Josh Walker. I'm here today with SafeTPlus Steering Control. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our silver 31140 steering stabilizer with our mounting kit E353K14. This kit is going to go on your Class C Ford E350, E450 motorhome chassis. Now before we get started on this, you want to make sure you carefully read through all your instructions. Make sure you have all the safety equipment needed, the tools and all the hardware to get this job done safely. Follow me and let's get this started. Step 1, what we're going to do, you want to pull the vehicle in a straight position so you can gain access under the vehicle and give yourself enough room to work. Step 2, if unit is equipped with a factory dampener, it must be completely removed. Step 3, loosen the bolts on the left and right sway bar bracket. Step 4, place the SafeTPlus anchor bracket in between the frame and the sway bar bracket on the driver's side. Tighten bolts to the SafeTPlus bracket. Tighten bolts to the sway bar bracket. Step 5. First, you torque your sway bar bolts. Large bolt is to be torqued to 55 foot-pounds and the small bolt will be torqued to 40 foot-pounds. Next, you're going to want to torque your bolts on the SafeTPlus bracket. Large at 55, small to 40. Step 6. Next, we're going to attach the tie rod bracket to the tie rod with the U-bolts provided. Do not fully tighten them at this time. Step 7. Next, we're going to make sure the washer and grommet are installed properly on both ends before mounting. Install SafeTPlus unit to anchor bracket and tie rod bracket using the leftover grommet kit. Be sure the rubber grommet is installed with the raised side going into the bracket hole. You want to make sure all grommets are tightened until they are approximately 1/4 inch thick. Now you can tighten and torque your bolts on the tie rod bracket to 20 foot-pounds. Finish your install by turning the steering wheel left and right, ensuring you're clearing all parts. Alright, that concludes today's installs. We hope that you found this video very helpful. Please don't hesitate to give us a call with any questions or visit our website. We are here to help. We wish you all the best and safe travels.